Brandon Horner was killed on his one-year anniversary as a manager on this farm. Sekweche Mahlamba and Segula Matlaletsa, who were arrested for his murder, appeared in the Senegal Magistrate Court on Tuesday. On the day of their appearance, farmers from across the country descended on Senegal to protest against farm murders.
I think that the death penalty must be introduced.
We have enough leaders in this country to turn it around, ma'am. There's enough leaders to do it. I'm one of them. We're going to change this country to be the best country.
Then violence broke out. A female warrant officer was allegedly strangled and pushed aside before a mob stormed into the court building, demanding that the two murder suspects be handed over to them. A holding cell was wrecked and the two accused were injured in the attack. A police vehicle was overturned and set alight. The police have been criticized for inaction.
What surprises me is that it is the vehicle that has responded, vehicle that we are using to respond to criminal element, and then you ban it. How do you expect the state to begin to deal with criminals when you ban the very same resources that they are using? So it's uncalled for.
Following the violence, a 51-year-old businessman was arrested for public violence, destruction of public property, and attempted murder. On the day of his court appearance, a large police contingent was deployed to Senegal. The NPA wants to add more charges.
We are contemplating on charging him for terrorism because the allegations of damage to state property, which is the court building and the police vehicle. So we regard those allegations as an attack on state. Hence, we have taken a decision that one of the charges that we are intending to include will be terrorism.
Police Minister Bheki Cele and Free State Police MEC Sam Mashinini have both condemned the violence. Various political parties have also weighed in on the violent protest and the murder of Horner. Minister Cele intends to visit the Horner family this coming week. The bail application ruling of the businessman has been postponed to Tuesday, while the bail hearing of the two murder accused will be heard on Friday. I am Pale Samuel, SABC News, Bloemfontein.